Hi, everyone. In today's video, I will briefly explain how a Quarto document can be created when using a software for your data analysis. What is Quarto? Quarto is an open-source scientific and technical publishing system built on Pandoc. Using Quarto, we can create dynamic content with Python, R, Julia, and Observable. The documents can be created as plain text, Markdown, or as Jupyter notebooks. Using Quarto, we can publish high-quality articles, reports, presentations, websites, blogs, and books in HTML, PDF, MS Word, EPUB, and more. In Quarto documents, we can include scientific markdown, mathematical equations, citations, cross-references, figure panels, callouts, advanced layout, and more. To work with Quarto, first download it from the link shown in this slide. Then, install Quarto and choose one of the platforms that you want to work with. Here, we discuss how Quarto can be used with via RStudio platform. To use Quarto in RStudio, you need RStudio version 2022.02, which includes support for editing and preview of Quarto documents. After you install the Quarto CLI, RStudio will detect it and enable Quarto features automatically. To create a Quarto document, open RStudio and click File, New File, and then Quarto document. Then, a dialog box as shown in Figure 1 appears. Fill the title, your name as the author, then select the document type you want to create and click Create. After adding the content to the document, click Render button shown in Figure 2. If you prefer to automatically render whenever you save, you can check the Render on Save option on the Editor toolbar. The preview of the document will appear alongside the editor. Note that the side-by-side preview works for both HTML and PDF output. When using R, it is a usual practice to do data analysis by creating a new project. Therefore, to create a new project for a Quarto document or set of documents, click File, New Project, and then select New Directory. Select the project type as Quarto project. Now, you can see a dialog box as shown here. Give a name for the new directory and browse the location where you want to create this new directory. Then, click Create Project button to create the new directory. You can use this UI to create both vanilla projects as well as websites and books. Options are also provided for creating a Git repository and initializing a RENV environment for the project. Since Quarto is compatible with existing Markdown documents, you can use Quarto to render any existing Markdown document without any changes. One important difference between Markdown documents and Quarto documents is that in Quarto chunk options are typically included in special comments at the top of code chunks rather than within the line that begins the chunk. An example is shown here. The #vertical bar special comment sign shown below the R codes is used to include chunk options. Note that a figure caption is included here, and adding echo false chunk, we can show only the output and hide the R codes. Choosing the Jupyter engine, when creating a new project, you can also work with Quarto Markdown documents that targeted the Jupyter engine within RStudio. These files will typically include a Jupyter option in the YAML front matter indicating which kernel to use. If you want to work within a virtual environment, use the file, New Project, then specify the Jupyter engine with a venv, and specify which packages you'd like to seed the venv with. RStudio will automatically activate this virtual environment whenever you open the project. You can install additional Python packages into the environment using the RStudio terminal tab. Learn further details from the website shown in this URL. Thank you. Happy journey with Quarto.